Hello everybody and welcome to this week's Crafternoon tea. So today I'm going to show you how to make a little origami photo frame which you can compile them all together, you can make lots of them and make a really cool collage to put on your wall. So what you need is just a sheet of, it's a sort of very thin card, it's between paper and card. Paper's better because card can be quite hard to fold. So what we need to do first of all is we need to make it into a perfect square. To do that, what I typically do is I bring this corner down to the bottom until it is flush with the bottom level of the card, because then you will know you've got the perfect square. So what I'll do then is I just fold that down. Don't worry about this fold because it's part of our step anyway. And then I'll get this bit of card and I'll chop off this section here. If you've got origami card already, perfect, or you might already have some square bits around. But if you don't, this is how to make your own perfect square. So I'm just cutting along this bit off now. Pop that to the side, we won't need our scissors again. So we've already made the first fold, and what we need to do now is go in the opposite direction. So we came this way, so what we need to do now is bring this corner up here instead. And again, we fold it down. Make sure your paper meets the edges, get those folds perfect. Open it back up. So what we need to do now is we need to turn it this way and we need to bring this section up to the middle point and fold that down. We're going to do this for every section. So again, we're going to bring this bit up to the middle. Everything works to the centre point. Okay, so you can see so far I folded that bit down. Okay, so this bit is now going to go into this centre point. Oh, I'm not looking in, and vice versa. Okay, so again, this point up, fold it, and this point. So then we'll have almost like a little square sort of envelope looking thing. Okay, so all of our points there. So what we need to do is the same process, but now we need to turn it to the side. So again, we're going to bring this point up. Okay, so we're securing those folds in, and this point to the centre, so you can see. Okay. Ooh. This point needs to go up. And lastly, this point needs to go up. So we've just folded again. Okay? So now the centre, it'll be quite a small photo frame, mind, but it'll be really cute and you can make a great collage with them. So what we need to do now is we need to bring this point up to the top. And we're going to do that the same for all the points, okay? So bring that there. And bring that last one down. Perfect. So that's the base of your photo frame. As you can see, it's sort of, your photo would slot in the middle here. And what we'll do is you can secure your photo in just a bit of glue. And then what we need to do now as well is we need to just secure these little tabs down. It's a bit cheating because with origami it's all about the folding, but this time round we just need that little bit of extra help from the glue. So pin them down just to give your photo frame a bit more structure. So there we have it. So what you would do is you would slot your photo. I'll use a bit of this green card so you can sort of visualise it. As you would slot your photo in the centre, glue it down, and then you've got your little photo frame because you'd glue these bits to the photo down as well. And imagine having lots of these, it would be really lovely and effective. And there you go. So don't worry about having to buy photo frames, you could make your own little photo frames out of a piece of paper. Enjoy and see you next week for another Crafternoon tea. Bye for now.